Bitcoin is heading towards 170k here, and I will open up a major position if we see this setup unfolding, and we're still in a very big profit here, which is pretty good to see. Liquidity is everywhere, but what can we expect next? And we will dive in some more data later here. But first of all, please make sure to follow me over on X and to follow me over on YouTube and subscribe on my YouTube channel and the like button. Don't forget that one. And let's dive into the charts for now. What we can see here is that we have a massive setup forming on Bitcoin right now. So we have a massive support zone below us, and every time we touch that support zone, we see a move towards the upside. Every single time we see that move towards the upside. And for now, what we can see is that we tapped the line, and every setup, when we tapped the line, we broke resistance, alt highs, retested it, and saw the next move towards the upside. And every single time we saw that happening, and right now we saw it exactly happening right here. And we saw the last time, and the smallest pump we have been seeing after this setup, we pumped 70% towards the upside. If we do so right now, we have a very big chance and high confident level 170k Bitcoin anytime sooner. So that is what I'm aiming for, and this setup and this chart is massive here, and will surge Bitcoin towards the 170k. But for now, a cooldown is still in, which is a very likely scenario because everyone is long, and we will see that on the liquidation as well. But what we need to see before I'm opening up a very big position here is a little cooldown towards the downside, towards these old highs and this very high support level. And if we see so, I am planning to open up a very big position here. So this is my next trade, and this is what I will do if this happens. And this is a really high confidence setup. So break old highs, retest it, and go further towards the upside. So that is what I'm planning to do here. Because for now, we're still in my trades, and I took some more profit of Ethereum here. Also on Bitcoin, I put my stop loss even more in profit, so that is a really nice. And we're still in this trade, and if we pump further towards the upside, I will still get some money out of this trade. And otherwise, if we dump towards the upside, I will towards the downside, sorry, then we will get stopped out, but that is no problem here because then we have this high confidence setup which will forming here, and we can trade the next move towards the upside here. Liquidity is stacking everywhere, but yeah, for now it isn't that important in my opinion. We will see how price will unfold in the upcoming days here because we're stacking some sell side liquidity on the top and some buy side liquidity on the low. And I really think that if we will have a next move towards the upside or either the downside, we will have a swipe towards the upside or downside, and then the opposite way we will move here. So that is something you really want to keep in mind. And what we can see here is really important. I've been talking about this a lot here, and we can actually see that Ethereum Bitcoin is breaking out very heavily, and we have a very big pump on ETH Bitcoin. This means that Ethereum is gaining strength against Bitcoin, and it is exactly what you want to be seeing for a alt season. So for now, I want to say to you, if you open up your positions, please make sure to open them up on Ethereum, because this is literally the chart that says you that Ethereum will pump harder than Bitcoin. So if you open up some trades, please look for trades on Ethereum or altcoins, because that will give you the most return here. Also, if you look at the Ethereum accumulator address inflows, we can see we have a massive spike towards the upside. And this is exactly what you want to be seeing on Ethereum here. And this will make a supply shock happen even faster. So on-chain data is exactly with Ethereum as well, and the charts don't lie here that Ethereum is gaining strength in the market, and that is what we want to be seeing here. So that was it for today's video. Please make sure to follow me over on those socials, and I will see you tomorrow by a new one.